Hi everybody, it's Sunday and I have nothing to do, so I wanted to show this off. This is not one of my creations, this is my stepson's creation. You see here, this is a plastic thing. It was a pellet gun. This does nothing. This is friction tape. I don't know if you can hear that. Let's see. That's friction tape, and that is a remote control. Now, in theory, you're able to aim your remote control against your shoulder, and this does nothing. Now, it makes it now the practical thing about something like this is he has, okay, first of all, that says jalapeno and a little bumper sticker. Okay, the kids in high school, early high school, what can I say? Anyway, they sell these, they give these away for nothing. But anyway, the great thing about this thing, you tend to not lose it very easily. I mean, it is a remote control, right? I mean, just all the black friction tape, that's one thing. But if it was me, I wouldn't have started with something like that because that's pretty generic. I would have started with something like this. That would be my remote control. Now if anybody's not familiar, this is a silly string shooter. You open up, hold on, let's see here. Two-handed operation normally. Okay, check it out. Right there is a little clasp where my thumb is pointing up. There's a little clasp, and you put your can of silly string in there, and then you put the little clasp, snaps back, and it's a silly string shooter. Real good looking toy. Oh man, real good looking toy. This is great. But anyway, I would have started with that instead of that. Because, well, that's just cooler. And this is a stormtrooper. Be aware, be afraid. Troopers, bad. Okay, goofing around on a Sunday. This is actually a droid rifle, not a stormtrooper rifle. Okay, goofing around on a Sunday. I had to show this. Had to show that. Didn't have to show this. It's cool, but didn't have to show it. Had to show that. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.